Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix failed to login in Minecraft TLauncher 2025. So first of all, it's mainly because of a Java problem. Just go here to your TLauncher, click on settings, go here to settings another time, and then you will see here selection Java, click on change, and after that just click on the reset button and you will have it here. And if you have your Java path, just browse and then select your path. If that doesn't work, go here to your task manager, go search for where is Minecraft is playing, and then click on end task, and that will help you. If that still doesn't work, there is another option just to go here to the date and time management. This may be cause you some problem. Make sure to synchronize the time, make sure that you have a good connection. And finally, if all this doesn't work, just delete the T-Launcher that you have and reinstall it because it's a Java problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.